Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and remote readiness. Weak batteries or loose power cables cause many standby problems. Once done, unplug the Tata Sky set-top box from the mains and wait 30 seconds. This forces a power cycle that clears transient faults. When you plug it back in, watch the standby LED closely and note its color or blink pattern. This tells you whether the box is booting normally or reporting a hardware condition. Make sure cables are seated firmly before moving on. Next, use the remote to open settings and select device or system options to perform a controlled reboot or check for software updates. This addresses firmware hangs. If the menu is unresponsive, perform a hard reboot by cutting mains for 60 seconds, then restore power and allow a full boot. Slow boots can look like standby. Once the box boots, verify the software version. Updates often contain fixes for standby loops, so apply any available update and let the box complete installation without interruption. To finish, run a channel rescan and confirm audio and video. Pairing the remote again can solve perceived standby issues. If the box still returns to standby, write down the exact LED behavior and any on-screen error messages. This detail speeds diagnostics. As a last troubleshooting tip, try swapping the HDMI or AV cable and test on another TV to isolate the problem. If none of this works, contact Tata Sky support and provide the model number plus the LED.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.